Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Up.
Subscribe, leave a like, and don't forget to turn on the notification on.
That was way too close. I could see.
Notification! Ah! Turn the notifications on, please. I need the subscribers too. And likes. And everything. I need all of them because I only have 2. Ah, please, I need them.
Tomorrow he's going to be doing a stream of Battlegrounds, so make sure you watch that.
Yeah.
And if you could donate, because you might
What was that, dude? Oh, that was so weird. We're gonna go out of there, dude. That's just creepy. Okay, that was weird. That was like a horn right there. And then, okay, let's go.
Really?
I'm faster than Miles.
Who are you?
Okay. That's
Probably a prank, so no one cares.
yeah.
Yeah, we're going to be doing a stream.
Yeah.
So make sure you watch and donate, because he might be donating to charity. So, yeah.
Yeah.
Might want to help out.
Yep. So, might do that. I don't know if I'm going to be able to, but I'll try my best. If it doesn't come up on your thingy, then yeah. By the way, if you don't know my YouTube channel, it's called Nerf Specialist, and it's not about Nerf.
Well, but we might do like a Nerf gun
Fight
video.
sometimes.
Yeah.
But not all the time. We're not going to do it on live, but yeah. We're just going to show you around the neighborhood, not showing the signs or anything. Mostly just show you like what we do around here and stuff. There's cars around here, houses, but not telling you the address. Nobody's coming to my house to try to kill me. Don't kill me!
This is just a video. You don't need to get so angry.
Yeah. So, we
Dude,
get...
we don't want to head over there. Remember? Because the air horn.
Yeah, that was so weird, the air horn.
I'm out.
We're actually going to go this way now. So...
This is creepy.
Yeah, this way. Yeah, so we're going to go this way. And, yeah. My hands are freezing right now. I've been outside for a very long time, but not on
been
the...
outside for like 2 hours.
Yeah.
Just checking out everything. And playing with each
We've
other.
been out here for actually like 4 hours probably, and my hands are freezing cold.
Yeah, I'll hold the camera.
No, I'm good.
If you're
No. No. Ugh. Ugh.
I think I got a good idea to name the episode.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know why that air horn even blew anyways.
Yeah. I just touched the bush. And it was
And the air horn came, and then, and there was a phone in the thing too. There was like a phone, and then so I don't know if you guys saw it because I wasn't literally looking at the camera. So, like I'm not right now. I'm just looking around and stuff. So
that is
yeah.
the main poisonous tree. It's very poisonous.
Poison. Look at it, Bill. You would not want to look at it anymore. Look at that tree. That's a normal tree.
So that is Ricky's house over there, the yellow house.
Yep, that yellow house right there. I'm pointing at it. That's it. Yeah, that one. So,
They can see it's yellow, Ricky.
they can see it's yellow, but it's actually a brick house. Don't blame me if I'm wrong.
It's not a brick house.
My mom said it was.
Well, it isn't.
Yeah, well, it is a brick house, but it doesn't look like it. But to my mom says that it is. So, yeah. So we're going over this way. This is just a couple of houses. Don't look at the thingies. Whatever, just, I don't know. Just look at something.
Probably
There's a
there's like no
rock.
one watching this. Probably like this like video on YouTube.
Oh my gosh, it's a remote. A remote. Break it, I dare you. I dare. Oh my gosh.
Oh my
please. Oh my god. Don't break me. Don't do it. Look at that. That's like pieces, dude.
Don't touch that. Let me see.
Oh my god. You get that. I dare you to touch that.
No,
Oh
don't.
my gosh, that thing's like metal. Ow! I totally got shocked.
All right, let's go.
My hand is literally, the hand that I'm holding the camera with is literally like dead. I can't move it. Like I can barely move this one, but I can't move
My shovel?
other hand.
This is my shovel. Nice.
Hey, I want to hold the shovel.
My shovel. I'm gonna shovel you if you don't make me shovel you. My little way of saying I don't care.
My hand is literally numb. If something like here, like
Can you feel anything?
yeah, but ow! No, touch it with your bare hand. Ow! Ow! Hurts! Ow! It's so numb that it hurts so bad. Look at it. I can barely move it. Ow! Ow! I can't move it, but it really hurts. It's like super cold.
Yeah.
So I might be like going inside or something soon after this video or whatever.
So make sure to tune in, and you can be able to see the stream. It will be really fun. I'll be there with him.
If it's possible.
Yeah.
I'll just tell you if he's there.
Man. Yeah, it'll be a great
Oh, by the way, don't forget to subscribe to Miles' channel. He has a channel too.
Mine is a little bit better than his. We have 9 subscribers.
Yeah, they have 9 subscribers. I have 2. I'm 4. But I at least have subscribers, thanks to you guys or somebody else.
Or whoever subscribes.
I'm gonna get everybody to subscribe in my family, and then I'll have like 1,000 subscribers.
You don't have 1,000 people in your family.
I have more than 1,000.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. Everybody has more than 1,000, dude. It's like over like 1 billion, like 1 billion people.
But I'm going to soon make my own like gaming video.
Right.
But my iPad doesn't work like yours, so I can't really like record the trivia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's so steak.
I know. And if the air horn blows again, I'm just gonna kill him. I'm gonna like gurt you. And in the comment section, we will split our chat into 2. So yeah. So you can hear what both of us say.
Yeah.
I am the shovel hand now. Look at my beautiful shovel hand. Now let's start heading back.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go this way.
Let's cut through here.
Yeah, we're gonna cut through here.
Just show a little bit more of it.
This is our place. This is where
A big
I'll
rock.
show you where I used to live. I used to live all the way over here, so I used to live this house right here. Let me show you. Huh? What? You used to live right there?
I don't know, but it's been a long time. It's been like 2 years.
This house right there is where I used to live. Literally.
Look up.
Yeah, this is where I used to live. Literally, that's where I used to live. But now I don't, so don't go there. Don't go there, people. Don't go there.
Plesburger.
Plesburger. Yeah, sure.
You're holding the camera.
Yeah, I know. Oh, by the way, let's show you the park again. For some reason. So, the park is all the way over there. See?
No, don't you do it.
And this is somebody else's house. Weird.
A random person's house.
Random person's house. And this is where somebody else lives. Right there. That's Micah's house. Noah's house lives all the way down there. Then you take all the way down there. Then you take a turn. Then you go straight. And then the thing is on the left. I mean on the right. I get confused of my rights and lefts.
Yeah, me too.
But I know them. I just say them wrong.
Right is your hand that you write with, like this hand.
This thing.
So where do you write? Which hand do you write with?
This one.
That's what you wite with. Okay. So
Right
the other
hand.
one you know is your left. Left is always death. Right is always right.
Right. So,
The middle is always a riddle.
yeah.
I'm gonna gurt you.
No.
Gurt.
So, I want to show you the backyard. Then we're gonna end the video. Okay? So I'll show you Miles' house real quick, and then my house
I have a
in the
pretty
back.
cool backyard. Well, kind of.
Kind of.
Kind of.
You see that house with the
Brick
brick
and
house?
the coming out like view.
Yeah, that one. Okay, that one. That's Miles' house. And I'll show you Miles' house and then my house in the backyard. Okay, backyard. So this is part of the back. And we're going towards the back. We're on the side right now. Let's go to Miles' house first. I'm literally in somebody's yard. And I'm a savage.
Yeah.
I am totally not doing anything.
The whole thing is we have a swing.
This is...
My bike. And yeah, let's go rock on the swing.
yeah, they have a
Rocking
swing
swing.
too. So let's go on the rocking swing.
I can't believe we have it. Wait, your hand is in the way.
What's that?
Oh my god, it's so dark on the picture.
I know, it's dark. It's kind of getting a little dark.
Yeah. Alright. Let's rock it like this.
Oh my gosh, this is so fun.
Yay!
Whee! I'm literally not moving. Wait. Let's go
Alright,
back.
Let's go back as far as we can.
Go!
Whee!
Oh my gosh!
Whee! Don't worry, those noises aren't like monsters. They're just,
Monster!
that's not a monster. And if there was, I would gird them.
Gert.
Gird them with my wooden shovel, which is...
Yeah, they literally can't see you.
I know.
It's so dark.
It's really dark. So we're gonna go show you the backyard because it's getting kind of dark for you guys. Then
Yeah.
that'll be the end of the episode.
Yeah.
That'll be fun. You can see more. Yeah.
Okay, so
Alright,
let's
head
go.
back to the house, to his backyard house.
Yeah.
Fun. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that scared me.
Meet you there.
Okay. This is my backyard. This is my backyard. With that, and this is, even though you guys can't see, literally, watch.
I can't see anything, Ricky.
Yeah, I know, you can barely see a thing. But, so sorry about the stuff or whatever. But, yeah.
So, hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Yeah.
If you did, please subscribing. And
Yeah.
I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Subscribe to Miles' 2. What is it called?
Aaron.
Aaron. Okay.
'Cause that's
Aaron
my-
Minor.
That's my mom's name. She wanted to be safe or something like that.
So it's named Aaron Miner, and mine is Nerf Specialist. Subscribe to both of them. Bye! See you later!